This is the season of light, of renewal, of connection. Whether you are celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's, or any other meaningful tradition, the essence of this time of year is universal: gratitude, service, and hope for a brighter future. And in the physical therapy profession, those values are not seasonal. They are embedded in what we do every single day. The holiday spirit reminds us that healing is not just physical, it is emotional, relational, and deeply human. Physical therapists across the country embody this spirit year-round. We help people walk again, move again, and live again. We guide them through the most vulnerable moments. We give patients the gift of independence, which is perhaps the most meaningful gift of all. In a world that can often feel rushed and impersonal, physical therapists bring compassion, patience, and human connection, qualities at the core of this holiday season. Diagnostics also has become one of the most transformative contributors to our profession. When we talk about the holiday spirit, hope, clarity, empowerment, diagnostics play a quiet but powerful role. EMG and nerve conduction studies help uncover the causes of pain and dysfunction, so patients finally get answers. MSK Ultrasound allows us to see the problem, helping patients feel validated and understood. Precision diagnostics elevate physical therapists into primary contributors to healthcare decisions. This technology doesn't replace the therapeutic relationship, it amplifies it. It helps us serve patients better, faster, and more accurately. In a season of illumination, diagnostics literally help us bring things to light. As we reflect of the past year, I want to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who makes Hands On Diagnostics not just an organization, but a family and a movement. To our HADS members, thank you for your trust, your commitment to clinical excellence, and your drive to elevate our profession. You are leaders, innovators, and pioneers. To our HADS staff, your dedication behind the scenes and in the spotlight is what keeps this entire ecosystem functioning with precision and heart. Thank you for your professionalism and your loyalty. To our faculty and mentors, you are the guiding lights. You share your expertise generously, shape careers, and inspire the next generation of diagnostic physical therapists. The holiday season reminds us to honor the teachers, and we honor you. To our residents, fellows, learners, and newcomers to diagnostics, thank you for believing in this mission and for taking the courageous step to grow, learn, and challenge the limits of our profession. And finally, to the broader physical therapy community, we continue to make a profound difference in society, one patient, one family, one community at a time. Your work represents the truest meaning of this season: service to others.